All my friends living in Germany often ask me about how I manage to keep the plants alive through winters and sometimes even through summers. There are so many things one can do to care for them actually. This morning, when the sun was shining bright, I quickly moved my plants and placed them all comfortably in the warmth of the sunlight. My sofa was stolen by them today. While the plants were bathing in the sun, I rearranged this drawer that holds mostly glass boxes, and I use these to store leftovers and chopped veggies. I bought this liner from Ikea. I know I just have this one drawer for so many things, so I've got a mix of things kept in here. The drawer divider provides support to things, and these trays are now easy to pull out and put back. With the winters gone, there's so much happening outside. There are gorgeous flowers everywhere. I wanted to bring those colors indoors, and so I got hold of some dried flowers. Just in case you were wondering, the dried lavender is also from Ikea. I'm not sure if it's a recent addition. The pink flowers, although, are bouquet fillers that I got from a local store the other day, and now after a few days they have started to become a little wilted. The second drawer was meant to hold lids and pans. This one was easy. The divider in the middle makes sure that the handles of the pan from the left stay put and don't interfere with the lids on the right. Let's hope this works out in the long run. Kitchen organization definitely needs constant improvements, but for now this plan should work fine, I think.
Dreaming of a house I can keep.
The best time to rearrange things is when you're just done cleaning. The fact that everything is already out of place gives things a nice fresh start. I keep rearranging this corner, and you'll see how confused I get in deciding what to put where.
Windows. If the sunlight wants to meet me, who am I to turn him out? Ooh, don't be mistaken, I'm not sad, I've just awakened.
They say sometimes it's good to keep shuffling plants from one place to the other. You never know when they might start thriving in a different setting. I try to keep them closer to light, but with summers here, I think I can try and place some of them in the kitchen as well.
Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tanning is done, we'll take our leave and go. She had not been 2 weeks from shore when down on her a right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tanning is done, we'll take our leave and go.
Okay, I think I'll be nice and I'll place this plant baby in SO's office space, next to his study.
The line was cut, no whale was freed, and the captain's mind was not on greed. The day belonged to the whales and the screed. He took that ship in tow. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Da 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 da. For 40 days or even more, the line went slack and tight once more. The boats were lost, there were only four, still that whale did go. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. The stars are afraid, the fight's still on, the line's not cut and the whale's not gone. The weatherman makes his regular call, turn forward, captain, crew and all. Soon
I'm preparing this ruafza drink right now. In the summers, it's one of my favorites. It tastes absolutely delicious mixed with either milk or water. Isn't the color of this drink just stunning? It needed more ice than 2 cubes, so I refrigerated it for a while.
Don't say, darling, cause you'll fake it. Don't hide the tears, cause I know you're breaking. All this love and all this pain you've given. All this love and all this pain, you bring them from another world.
After coming back from the cherry blossom visit, I was pumped to finish what I had started. I mean, I wanted to do a little bit of rearranging here and there. And yes, I got the plant back from SO's room to the kitchen. Will he even notice? I have my doubts.
Damn love, all this pain in those fine eyes. All this love and all this pain you've given. All this love and all this pain, you bring them from another world.
When I load the dishwasher, I become incredibly lazy and occasionally even put things in there that I shouldn't, maybe like a wooden spatula. A friend once advised me to put the spatula on the top rack, which contains the wine glass holder, and now that trick has been successful for me and I follow it almost every other day. You can try it too, but don't blame me if you break a spatula or two. I think it's safe to believe that a home is clean if the kitchen is clean. Well, also the bathroom. Using a kitchen scraper does this part very easily. I use it almost daily before the grime gets burnt even further and becomes too difficult to handle.
All this love and all this pain you've given. All this love and all this pain.
Clean kitchen, clean home. Phew, my day wasn't that bad after all. Hope you all have a wonderful weekend as well. See you all next week.